Here's my turtle. He's a red-eared slider.
Why don't you write about the black sailor, Hugh Mozak? Oh, okay. In 1920, Hugh Mozak earned his captain's stripes in the Merchant Marines, but all they offered him was command of a ship with an all-black crew.
So this is just a quick handling tutorial. So what you need to do is hold him like a hamburger. So unfortunately I have only one tip moment. Now soon I'm gonna get him a 150-gallon tank for him once he grows old enough. Right now I have him in a 10-gallon. So Roxanne out.